Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect macarons. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients. You'll need finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, granulated sugar, and aged egg whites. It's super important that all your ingredients are at room temperature. Also, using a kitchen scale for precise measurements, down to the gram, is absolutely critical for achieving those beautiful macaron shells. Let's get started. Now let's dive into the macaronage, which is the heart of macaron making. Start by whipping your egg whites with granulated sugar until you get a firm, glossy meringue with stiff peaks. Then, gently fold your dry ingredients into the meringue. This folding technique, called macaronage, is key. You're looking for a batter consistency that flows like slow-moving lava, allowing you to draw a figure 8 with the spatula without the stream breaking. This takes practice. Once your batter is perfect, it's time to pipe. Use a piping bag with a round tip to create uniform circles on parchment paper or a silicone mat. After piping, firmly tap your baking sheets on the counter a few times. This helps release any trapped air bubbles, preventing hollow shells. Finally, let your piped macarons rest at room temperature. This resting period, usually 30 to 60 minutes, allows a skin to form, which is essential for developing those iconic feet during baking. Baking is the final crucial step. Preheat your oven and bake your macarons at a consistent temperature, typically around 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. Once baked, let the shells cool completely on the baking sheet before attempting to remove them. This prevents breakage. Then, fill your cooled shells with your favorite ganache, buttercream, or jam. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.